Vrikshasana or mountain pose. Steps. Stand straight with feet together, arms by your sides. Distribute weight evenly on both feet. Inhale and stretch arms upward and interlock fingers. Raise heels and stand on toes while stretching upward. Hold this position and breathe normally and focus. Benefits of Tadasana or mountain pose. It improves posture by aligning the body. Triyak Tadasana or swaying palm tree pose. Stand straight with feet apart and hands by your side. Interlock fingers, stretch arms upward and palms facing up. Inhale, stretch upward and elongate your spine. Exhale, bend to the right side, keeping arms aligned with your ears. Inhale, return to the center and exhale, bend to the left side. Repeat 3 to 5 times and return to the starting position. Vrikshasana or tree pose. Stand straight with feet together and arms at your sides. Shift weight to one leg and keep it straight. Place the sole of the other foot on the inner thighs of the standing leg. Join palms in a prayer position at your chest or above your head. Hold this position and balance and breathe deeply. Utkatasana or chair pose. Steps. Stand straight with feet together. Stretch your arms forward and upward. Exhale and bend your knees as if sitting on a chair. Keep your back straight and thighs parallel to the floor. Hold this position for few breaths and then return to the standing position.